A jungle is a dense, tropical forest characterized by high humidity, abundant rainfall, and a rich diversity of plant and animal life. Unlike temperate forests, jungles are typically found near the equator, in regions like the Amazon basin in South A. In a jungle, the canopy is the top layer of the forest, formed by the tops of the tallest trees, which can reach up to 100 feet high. This canopy blocks much of the sunlight from reaching the forest floor, creating a relatively dark and humid environment. Jungles are home to an incredible variety of wildlife, including mammals like jaguars, tigers, and monkeys, as well as countless species of birds, insects, and reptiles. Many animals have adapted to the jungle's unique conditions, such as the camouflage. These ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating the global climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. They also help in maintaining water cycles and supporting indigenous communities that rely on the jungle for food, shelter, and TR.